Expedition Bio, Whitehead Institute's summer science program for middle school students. In Expedition Bio, students don't just sit back and listen, they learn by doing, in an immersive 2-week program. Expert instructors lead classes on current research topics, giving students the skills to pursue their own curiosity and engaging them in discussions with leading scientists about the biggest questions they face today. Rising 7th and 8th graders collect samples in the field and analyze their data in the laboratory. Collaborations with Kendall Square institutions allow students to work in a fully equipped learning lab. Art-making activities foster creative thinking and help reveal the ties between art and science. Exchange your swimsuits for lab coats this summer. Learn more and register on our website. Need-based full tuition scholarships are available.